To access your account details, select My Account from the top right drop-down menu. You can do this from any page on LogTag Online. Here you can make any required changes to your account. Once you have made your changes, click Save. You can also change your account password by clicking the Change Password button and following the on-screen instruction. To manage your paid features, click on the Billing tab. Here you can review and add activation codes. To add a new activation code, simply type or copy and paste your code into the box provided. Then click Apply Code. You will now see it in the list below. The list below keeps a record of all the activation codes you have applied to your account. Other useful information is also shown, such as the number of locations granted and the code expiry date. When a code expires, it will remain visible on the list and be labelled as expired.